Configuring an elastic pool for SQL databases is a crucial step in optimizing the performance and scalability of your database applications. An elastic pool allows you to manage a group of databases as a single entity, making it easier to allocate resources and control costs. First, let's start with the key concepts. An elastic pool is a container that holds multiple databases, and it provides a set of resources that can be shared among them. The pool is defined by its size, which determines the amount of resources available to the databases within it. To configure an elastic pool, you need to follow these steps. Start by logging into the Azure portal and navigating to the SQL Databases section. Click on the Elastic Pools tab and then click on New Pool. Choose the subscription, resource group, and server for your pool, and then select the pool size. Next, you need to configure the pool settings. This includes setting the minimum and maximum number of databases that can be in the pool, as well as the minimum and maximum amount of resources that each database can use. You also need to set the pricing tier, which determines the cost of the pool. Once you have configured the pool settings, you can add databases to the pool. You can do this by clicking on the Add Database button and selecting the databases you want to add. You can also configure the database settings, such as the service tier and the maximum amount of resources that each database can use. Best practices for configuring an elastic pool include monitoring the pool's performance and adjusting the settings as needed. You should also ensure that the pool has enough resources to handle the workload of all the databases within it. Additionally, you should consider using automation scripts to manage the pool and its databases, and to scale the pool up or down as needed. In terms of practical examples, let's say you have a web application that uses multiple databases to store user data and analytics. You can configure an elastic pool to manage these databases, and set the minimum and maximum amount of resources that each database can use. This ensures that the databases have enough resources to handle the workload, and that you are not overpaying for resources that you don't need. In conclusion, configuring an elastic pool for SQL databases is an important step in optimizing the performance and scalability of your database applications. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure that your databases are running efficiently and effectively, and that you are getting the most out of your resources.